Hi dear, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how we can add quick announcement bar in the Shopify online store. So this tutorial will be helpful if you are using Shopify for your online business or selling your product or services in the online. So in this tutorial I'm going to use a top use that Shopify apps for quick announcement bar design. So these apps already have almost 5,000 reviews, and all the reviews is very positive, 100% positive I can say. And these apps free plan available. Also these apps help you to increase your sales. It's an advanced targeting system and free holiday and event themes that we can quickly add in our website. We no need to design or no need to be worried about to design any holiday or event themes for add quick announcement bar. Also if we check their details, then we can know more about these apps. So I'm not going to read all the description here, just I want to show you how we can add this and use in our website. So first of all I'm going to log in my Shopify store. So this is the Shopify official website. Then I'm going to click on the login. Then I'm going to log in my online store. Click on here. Now I'm going to click on the apps. Then I'm going to click on the visit the Shopify app store. Just going to click on this button. Now I search these apps quick announcement bar, then click on the search icon. Okay, so here the quick announcement bar, we use this one. If we see others apps, then we can see that there is very little feedback and review if we compare with this app. So of course we use this one by Hackstrom. So I am going to click on this title. Now going to click on the add apps. So we have added these apps in our website, and we can know and learn how we can install these apps from here, and we can check their media gallery to know more about there. And there have two options are to use. One is basic plan and another premium plan. In the basic plan we can use this one free, and premium plan we have to pay $9.99 monthly, almost $10 per month. So okay, you can select any plan from here as your need. So I'm just going to show you how we can add this. So okay, we have added these apps in our online store. Now going to click on the install apps. Okay, we have installed these apps. Now we have to use these apps in our website. So we are see right now quick announce bar dashboard. We can create new bar and other apps help you to run your business. Okay, and there also have free other apps. So we are just going to click on this button, create new bar, and basic template. We can select anyone from here. I'm going to click this one, it's easy, or harvest gold. I'm going to click on this. Here the preview, we can change any text from here, anything from here as our need. We can select where the top bar will show at the bottom of the bar. Make the entry bar clickable, do not make the clickable. Then button text, button URL, include close button. We can also include close button. We can customize design anything from here without any coding skill. We no need to use any code, so it's super easy to use. Let's check this one. Wow, bold and girl. Okay, we are going to use this one. Okay, now just going to click on the save. Bar successfully created. Now I'm going to visit my website to know or check my apps actually worked, or I have added this bar perfectly as my need. Waiting to see the full after full website load. Still waiting to check. I'm still waiting to check this apps is coming or not. Okay, wow, it's come. Here the announcement bar. So we have perfectly and correctly added these apps. So I hope now you can add these apps in your online store or Shopify stores. Also, if you need any help about these apps or draw any work in your website relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. You can send me message by on my Facebook page or in my channel in the comment box. So thank you for your time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos about Shopify. Thank you.